anytime you put too much of like something heavy in it, it droops down. Guys, I did my research. Tea is, y'all, I do not feel like going. I don't feel like going to this gym. I don't feel like going to the gym. And whoever goes to the gym in this cold weather, hence the people in this house, it's crazy. But I don't feel like I'm starting to have to, or not really have to. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. 2025, I was like, I'll be more on social media, doing my content, because it's something that I just love to do. I enjoy doing it. It's like a vibe for me. It's a hobby. I was like heavy on TikTok. TikTok is now about to be banned. So now I have to set myself apart and go back to YouTube, which I'm doing YouTube shorts. It's just the simple fact that I was making headway on TikTok. I really was. I went from getting 300 views to now getting, you know, a few thousand. And I learned that the key with that is, I don't even think it's about consistency too much. I think it's about, you know, putting yourself out there, being vulnerable, being more relatable, and then also going live, which was always like a, not really a fear, but like a, I don't like to be too open. So this year I had to get outside my comfort zone and do what I needed to do to, you know, break that shyness of mine. So I was making headway on TikTok until TikTok was like, we're not gonna be in the United States anymore. So yeah, but I'm on my way to the gym. I just wanted to chat it up with you guys for a little bit before I left. Y'all, I just left the gym, I'm back, and I love packages. I guess I'm happy now. But, okay, so a little backstory. I don't really shop off of Shein that much, but I will get like knickknacks and like travel organizing stuff because I just feel like their stuff is like, it's good for that. Like you could get really cool, unique stuff from Shein that is more like your, you know, like your knickknacks. Nothing too much of quality because, girl, I don't know how y'all do it, but the clothes that I have received from that place, I can't. And the quality, girl, no. I don't know what y'all doing, magic tricks or whatever, but let's open it. So this is when everything was like all about like the purses and like the charms and like adding cute little stuff to your purses. I don't like the cherries. It's something about cherries that I don't know. I don't like the cherries. Okay, so I got a few scarves. This is one of them. I love pink. Oh, this is cute. I can even wear this like in the summertime. Looks like on my head, you know? This is actually cute. I like this. So I'm gonna wrap this around my purse. Oh, it's so cute. You can even, okay, flight attendant. Love, love, love this. And it feels really good. It feels really, really good. This is the receipt. Interesting how it comes. I got this. Okay, so backstory. I was in the beauty supply store and I was like, okay, I'll just get like the charms from the beauty supply store. I know y'all seen those before at the beauty supply store. Girl, those things are like 20 bucks. I'm like, y'all tripping. There ain't no damn way this thing is 20 bucks. So I said I'm not gonna buy that. Especially when they're on Shein for like $2. Come on, my dollar has to make sense. So I got this. This is cute. It's brown. I thought it'd be cute for the winter time. Okay. Super cute. Obviously I had to get a pink one. Cute. That's the pink one. Focus. Focus, girl. There we go. The only thing I don't like about it is this little piece right here. I feel like it looks cheap and I feel like it could tarnish very quick. So I'm gonna have to keep y'all updated on that. And then I bought some more charms. Love black and white. So I bought this to put on, oh, one side's black and one side's white. Okay, so to put on my purse. And then another little charmy charm. Well, cute. And then a lot of scarves. Let's see, this scarf kind of reminds me of like the Hermes type of pattern. Super bougie, super cute. I can wear this as a scarf too. Yes, maybe. And I bought this one. They all feel pretty good though, the scarf. This one. So this, so cute. And then last scarf. This one is cheetah. How cute. How cute, right? So I got like 4 scarves, I'm sorry. And then 2 charms, 2 of the chain charms, and then 2 of the cute little horsey donkey thingies. So it's cute. And I spent like under 20 bucks for all of this stuff. So I'm about to head out the door. I'm about to go get some lunch real quick. And then come back and do some more work. I was gonna put on makeup, but I was like, by the time that I put on makeup and walk out this door, lunch gonna be about dang on it over. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, y'all, I put my charms on my Speedy bag. I thought it was cute on this one. I mean, the other one's cute too on the cream one, but I decided to wear her. And the reason why I haven't worn her in a while is because I don't know if you have like a Speedy bag, but anytime you put too much of like something heavy in it, it droops down. Guys, I did my research and all the girls on the TikTok, they were like, get you an organizer, get you an organizer. So I got on Amazon. I don't even know if y'all can see this, but I got on Amazon and I ordered one of these organizers. So when it's down in there, it like holds the bottom part because the bottom is so sturdy. So y'all look, can y'all see that? And it looks just like the bag. So I'm excited because I've been like not wearing this bag just because of the bottom part. And now that I have an organizer, I'm here for it. But I put the little donkey horse thingy, we just gonna call her a donkey, the hearts. I purchased this when I purchased the bag, but this is just the LV bag or LV charm, and then my scarf. So yeah, we about to go to lunch. Tomorrow I'm going to get my nails done. I need something more basic. Just like in my like cream white colors, because the black is cool, but we gotta go back. So y'all already know where I'm going. I'm about to go get me some noodles from Jenya because I love me some Jenya. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all an update and let y'all know my purse came out cute, right? So go to Shein, get y'all some charms. You know, you'll be waiting for a while, but it's cute. You won't regret it. But peace out, guys.